In the December issue of Creating Keepsakes, we finally got around to discussing our finds at the summer CHA in, July, August? That was publication delay. The first issue, we get all our cool stuff in. So this is one of my neat finds, is one of these squeeze punches by Fiskars. Now, normally punches, you push down from the top. With this punch by Fiskars, you see where you're punching from right on top, like this. And you just squeeze. And there you go. Isn't that cool? And what really the functional part of this is you can see exactly where you punch so you don't waste any paper. See how close this two little starburst are? Very cool stuff. And lots of unusual shapes. There's a nice funky flower, the starburst, little word bubbles, neat tags. Lots of fun, unusual things. So check these out. They're fun. And you'll be seeing them at your store soon.